Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, tenant access, and the Azure OpenAI feature enabled. Once done, provision an Azure OpenAI resource and copy the endpoint plus API key or plan to use a managed identity. Next, make your first call immediately. Install the Azure OpenAI SDK or use curl, set the endpoint and key in headers, and request a basic completion. This proves connectivity and surfaces permission issues fast, so you can fix auth before building features. Now you configure how you'll call the service. Pick a model and create a deployment with a clear name, then tune parameters such as max tokens and temperature. Once deployed, decide between single requests, batching, or streaming based on latency versus throughput needs. Make sure your client sends the API version parameter and correct auth headers. Implement exponential backoff for retries and monitor rate limit responses. This ensures predictable performance and avoids sudden throttling when traffic grows. To finish, deploy your integration to staging and instrument telemetry. Track latency, errors, and token usage, and set cost alerts so you don't exceed budget. Once stable, promote to production and enable auto-scale or connection pooling if traffic spikes. If something goes wrong, start with the quick checks. Validate the API key or managed identity, confirm the deployment name and API version, and inspect network or CORS rules. These resolve the majority of failures quickly and let you resume service without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.